What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over Bitcoin, and like I said, we do this on a regular basis, on a daily basis and regular basis. So if you guys are cool with that and you guys want to be a part of that, make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, turn the notification bells on, because you do not want to miss out on these videos. Because in yesterday's video, watch this. If you guys watched it, 521, that was yesterday. Boom, calling for this level exactly. Called for this level exactly before it happened. What I was, a little bit of a recap in the previous video, I was basically saying that we could come down and take these lows, take these lows, take these lows, which is exactly what we did. We came down, swing failure pattern them, hit the MC, and then bounced up from there. I gave this level as level number 1 to look out for, then this level right here, level number 2 to kind of look out for. And ended up working out. So congratulations to all of those who longed. Big shout outs. And also too, I am currently live streaming right now. So you guys, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, that subscribe button to join in on the live stream. And yeah, so before we begin, I do basically live trading. So once this live stream is over, I'm going to come in here to the Red Pill community. I'm going to go over and do some live trading in the Red Pill community. And so how you become part of that is you head down below the description box and you join the Discord right here. Then you also sign up using this information right here. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And then once you sign up, you have to deposit and start trading, and then message me on Discord and let me know once you've deposited and started trading, and I'll add you, and you'll get access to templates. You'll get access to the live trading sessions and all this other stuff. And yeah, we're just looking to grab and continue to trade with people who are actively wanting to learn how to trade. That's it. You owe me nothing. You don't have to change your trading lifestyle. And if you already have an account on bybit or any other exchange, just use this one as your main one. Transfer all your cryptos over to your new one, and that's it. You don't owe me anything. Cost you nothing. And let's just trade together. That's it. So, yeah, like I said, we already kind of recapped what happened yesterday. You guys can watch yesterday's videos if you guys would like to do that. And yeah, so we popped up from here. So if you guys were able to get in on that, that's about a 13% move to the upside. And some people are asking, am I still in CC? I see you've been studying. Yes, I did learn from the very get-go from Chart Champions, but we had a situation that happened over there where I had to leave, and I do not like the person that runs it at all. I'll just plainly say it like that. And so yeah, doing my own thing now, and that's why I have my own Discord and stuff like that, so join in with us. And so let's see, what's interesting here is we have a couple of situations. So so now that we've seen that we were calling for this low, I'm going to go ahead and close it and show you. So now we've had some people in the chat, right, that are people that are watching that jumped in to the Discord, and we're showing some things right here. So your boy Red's Truth Seeker, Mr. Adam himself, Adam, right here, big shout outs to you, man. Big shout outs. So they posted up these charts, right? And so we're basically kind of looking at this. We have no choice but to look at this pattern that's kind of unfolding right now, right? And so with that pattern, it's possible that we do dump to the downside, right? It is possible, obviously, that we continue to come up. We could come up and swing failure pattern and then come back down. And then they're also showing that they have this really sexy trend line that we are also hitting, and they also have this weekly level coming in at 38,200. So there's a lot of resistance above us, and so yeah. And then also too, in the Red Pill community, your boy right here is posting up that we had the session point of control from the previous day, and then we have the current day point of control showing up at 3,700, where we got our bounce from. And we also have a pitchfork. So big shout outs to the community. We have him also just now updating us with his idea, saying that he's looking for this area right here to be shorted around in between, basically like 39,500, which is what we're kind of looking for as well. And so it's possible that we are looking for we're looking for this kind of to play out. I personally, I'm thinking that price could come down to this 28, 26K level. It's possible because, I mean, look at this. We're just being held down exactly like what Adam was saying right here in his chart. Look at this trend line. We have to break this trend line and start to close up above, especially the 40. Then we really have to get above this $42,000 level. We have to, or else we'd have no choice. If we can't get above 40K and we can't get above 42K, then what else are we going to do? Unless we just go sideways from 30K to 40K for however many weeks, days, months, whatever it is. And so, yeah, that's why we're kind of looking at this. And it's also possible that this harmonic plays out like this, right? And then we do just get this range situation happening like this right here, where we just ranging back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. We have seen that on the weekends, the volume is kind of crazy, I guess you could say. Sometimes we'll have massive dumps on the weekends, sometimes we won't. And so we just kind of have to see what's going to happen. Is this going to be a quiet? I guess that's the way Bitcoin likes to play it. Either the weekend is going to be quiet, or it's going to be like, you know, we're done. And so, yeah. With this, I'll tell you, you know, what happened with CC after the video's over. So, I'm just trying to look at this. We do have massive amounts of bullish divergences showing up, but I don't know, like, it's all, you always have bullish divergences. You have some massive amounts of weakness showing up here at these highs, but now if we're looking, we had some weakness show up here at the bottom. And if you guys don't understand what this template is and how to read all this stuff, that's fine. Like I said, just join by signing up and all that stuff. Join the Red Pill community. Like I said, we do live trading together, and we also answer some questions, and I'll be going over, you know, some of these charts and what this stuff means. But yeah, so we had some weakness showing up here, and what that means is you had less selling pressure to the downside and more buying pressure, but prices making lower lows. Delta bars making higher lows, and so that there's weakness. People are buying and buying and buying, and so we have shot up from there. And that's also the 0.5, the weekly point of control you can see here, the previous day point of control, like Deloy was pointing out. You know, he's pointing that out right here. And then also too, in the volume, you do have that confirmation that, hey, we have some weakness showing up here. It's possible that we're going to go up to the upside. And we had the daily open. So now we're getting rejected by the daily value area high and the session value area high. So we could be coming back down to the value area low of the session, but yeah, we are, I don't know. We just kind of have to see how this is going to play out. Like, the main thing is we have two situations here in the immediate short term. Obviously, we can go for higher, but since I want to make this video kind of shorter, I guess you could say, or not forever and 5 days long, where I go over every single level I'm looking for. And again, I do this on a daily basis. So if you guys want more up-to-date stuff, you're going to have to join the Discord. So basically this, I mean, this is basically what I'd be looking for. I would be looking for here, because we have the pitchfork coming in right here, right? Then we also have the point of control of this previous range coming in right here at 40K. You have the 40K psychological coming in. You have the pitchfork that me and Deloy were looking at right here. He even was talking about it, like we said, his short idea right here. Right. So there's a lot of reasons to be looking for that short. And if we do get that short, we could say that it's going to be like a swing failure pattern. You take the highs, you get your rejection, and then you start to come all the way back down possibly. Right. And after that, my targets to the downside, we'd have to kind of look at this right here, because you have the pitchfork, and you have a gap in the lows right here. So you have from this low to this low, you have a pretty solid gap. So we'd have to say like 35,500. And then after that, we would be looking for the gap between these lows right here and here. And we'd say about like 32K, right? 32,500, 32K-ish. And then after that, if we continue to come down, then I mean, I mean, good Lord, dude, who knows what's going to happen after that, because you have these lows to take right here. And I mean, it could just be a waterfall all the way down to like 20K, who knows. But for the immediate short term, for a daily video, I think that, you know, it's, I would say that these two levels right here, and then I would say this level right here, and then I'm just going to give a level to the upside. I would say it would have to be something like so, somewhere around here, 45K something ish. Also too, probably because you have the point of control showing up kind of right around there. So no, I lied, I take that back. You have the value area high, and you have a high volume node right here, so that kind of lines up. So yeah, just kind of these areas. This is what I'm looking for, you know, in the immediate short term. And so if we also go over what we were looking at here, and let's also look at what we are seeing here. So yeah, currently you guys can see longs are opening. We got to the top right here. We put in some weakness to the upside. As you guys can see, as we got to the highs, nobody was buying. This move up was people getting stopped out of their shorts. People opened up shorts at the highs. People took profit on their longs. And now we moved down a little bit. Now we're sitting at the daily point of control. So when you're at the point of control of something, it could go up or down either way. And so let's take a look at the RSI. Oh, what's up, man? If you're new here, hope I'm not too late to join. No, man, you're good, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And we're still working on that 50 like goal. Yeah, big shout outs to you, man. Jump in, jump in. And like I said, I'll be going over all the CC drama after this video is done, if you want to know about it. What are we looking at as far as the RSIs go? We do have this trend line showing up on the 5-minute chart right here, from this low up, 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 up. So it looks like this one is being held up. We did have the daily money line coming in and saving us right here as well, but we have the weekly money line holding us down. So it's possible that today we just kind of go sideways for a little while until people decide to spill the tea. Until we decide whether we're going to take the highs or take the lows. It's kind of, you know, we're kind of going to be in no man's land. And that's what the RSI is also telling us on the 5-minute, that we're just chilling in no man's land. We're in the middle, we're in the middle, we're in the kind of upper middle, and we're in the middle right here. So we just have to wait. So we have our targets. If we do come down, we have our targets to the downside. We do have our targets to the upside. And so, yeah, and we've gone over what we're looking at on Exo charts. Let's go ahead and take a look at the net longs, net shorts. And again, I'll just say it again because maybe people don't know. If you don't know how to use this stuff, if you don't know about this stuff, again, just sign up with my information down below. Join the, let me know once you do and deposit it and start trading. And let me know on Discord and I'll add you and we'll have you join in on the live trading. And so, yeah. So we have people opening, closing, opening, closing. So we haven't really moved anywhere as far as the longs go, and we have opening, closing of the shorts. So, yeah. This person, Tony Stark, this is pretty funny. Anybody who shorts Bitcoin in a bull market is an enemy, a wolf in sheep's clothing. Yep. Well, hey, man. If you refuse to go with the trend, that's your business. So you're basically saying anybody who shorts and makes more, anybody who shorts and accumulates more Bitcoin as it's going down is, yeah, okay, you're funny. So, yeah, there's nothing really there. Let's go ahead and check the this chart right here to see what's kind of going on, and then we'll go ahead and end it. Wow, we're up at 80 concurrent viewers. Thank you guys so much. We're working on that 60 like goal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's take a look at what we got going on here. Let's get rid of the delta bars because that thing is always just not accurate, I guess you could say. Is this thing going to work out here? So we had the beginning of the session. We have middle tier players selling. We have people middle tier, like top tier, selling a little bit. It's kind of changing right here. And we always have the lower tier people buying. They're always buying. So yeah, we have, it's majority selling and they're still selling. Let's get a little bit closer. And the way you can tell is the darker the red. So if it goes from green to white, and that means it's transitioning to red. If it goes from red to white, it's transitioning to green. So I don't know. We do have some buying. We have some buying. It's transitioning a little bit. yeah, I think most of them are kind of transitioning, it looks like. So maybe we are going to go to the upside. We'll see what happens currently. But yeah, so I think that's going to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. One last shameless plug here. Again, down below, you'll see the Discord. You'll see the bybit information, so you guys can do that. Yeah, if you need, and also too, don't forget to subscribe to my altcoin channel. And I have a backup channel, so subscribe to that. And if you have any questions, and if you're new, I have this trading playlist for beginners. You guys can check out all that stuff, but mainly just join the Discord and ask whatever questions that you have. That's basically what it boils down to. In the Blue Pill community, you have this question section, and people can ask whatever questions that they want. And big shout outs to the new members. Thank you guys so much for joining the Matrix. Welcome to Trading the Matrix, you guys. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it. I kind of went over everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you next time.